Is Children's Dental Health Month, and I'm joined now by Dr. Komail Abbas to dispel a few myths about kids and their teeth. Thanks so much for joining us. So let's start with this. Some people say baby teeth just don't matter because they're going to eventually fall out. What's your take on that?
Oh, well, I'd have to disagree. Baby teeth do matter because besides being a pathway for the adult teeth to come in, baby teeth, just like adult teeth, can get cavities, and those cavities can lead to some discomfort or pain. And if the cavity gets big enough, sometimes those baby teeth can get infected, and dental infections can be a serious oral health problem. Sometimes even necessitates going to the hospital if the dental infection gets bad enough.
And if you're trying to put your baby to sleep, should you or shouldn't you give them milk or juice?
Okay, so this is something a lot of parents still do to soothe the child. They give them the bottle or something with juice or milk, and we have a couple of examples here of what not to do. You don't want to do that because the milk and the juice do have sugar, and that sugar can sit in the baby's mouth all night. And that sugar is what the bacteria that cause dental cavities will eat, and they can cause milk bottle decay for babies.
Ooh, good to know. Okay, so, parents get excited when they teach their kids how to brush their teeth, but should kids be brushing their teeth on their own as soon as they're able to do so?
So we definitely do promote independence and oral hygiene. So if kids are excited about brushing their teeth, that's a great thing. However, they may not be able to brush the teeth as well as we'd like. So while they can brush their teeth by themselves, we still encourage parents to make sure that they're getting all the spots that they need to, especially in the back and behind the lower front teeth is spots that we often see that children miss.
And dentists talk a lot about the importance of flossing, and I'm sure it's just as important for children, but what are ways to get them more excited about flossing?
Oh, so I guess the best way for kids to start flossing is if they see the parents do it, they try to copy their parents, and especially if you show them when you floss that you can get the food debris out there and that's stuck in between their teeth, the things that they can't get out just by brushing alone. So I think if they see parents do it, that they'll want to do it, and it's definitely very important for kids because their baby teeth are more susceptible to cavities than our adult teeth are. So we encourage flossing as soon as the teeth start touching each other.
It's important to live by example. Dr. Komail, thank you so much.